Welcome to this video on growing microgreens on a budget. Microgreens are tiny seedlings that pack a nutritional punch. They are not only healthy but also tasty and easy to grow. In this video, we will share with you some tips and tricks to grow microgreens on a budget. The first and most important step is to choose the right seeds. It's best to go for organic and non-GMO seeds. You can find them online or at your local gardening store. Avoid using seeds from grocery store produce, as they may have been treated with chemicals. Also, pick seeds that grow quickly, so you can have fresh microgreens in just a few days. To grow microgreens, you need a growing medium. You can use soil or hydroponic systems. But on a budget, the best option is to use a potting mix. You can also use coconut coir, which is a sustainable and affordable option. Be sure to use a good quality growing medium to ensure healthy and bountiful microgreens. Microgreens need plenty of light to grow. A south-facing window is ideal for growing microgreens, but if you don't have access to natural light, you can use grow lights. You don't have to spend a lot of money on a grow light. A fluorescent light or LED bulb will work just fine. Maintain a temperature of 55 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit for best growth. Once your seeds are planted, mist them with water to keep them moist. Water them regularly, and keep an eye out for any pests. If you notice any, remove them immediately. Microgreens grow quickly and should be ready to harvest within 7 to 14 days. To harvest, cut the seedlings just above the soil line. With the right seeds, growing medium, light and temperature, and a little bit of care, you can grow delicious and healthy microgreens on a budget. We hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos on gardening and homesteading.